15 ways you're cooking your vegetables wrong and less healthy. Are you eating enough vegetables in your diet? If yes, then great, but there is one other thing that matters a lot, and it is how you cook your vegetables. They are healthy and full of nutrients, but the way you cook your vegetables decides how much nutrients are going inside your body. Plus, cooking also changes the flavor, and not always in a good way. In today's video, we will share with you the 15 most common mistakes that you may be making while preparing vegetables and how to fix them, so you get the most nutritional bang for your calorie buck. Number 1, boiling them. Want to avoid extra fats used in frying? How about boiling your veggies? It may look like a good idea, but it is not. Boiling vegetables causes water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C, B1, and folate to leach out in the water and minimize the nutritional value. Plus, you will end up with soggy, unappealing vegetables. So do not boil your vegetables unless you're making a soup. You can try steaming, roasting, or baking them. Number 2, overcooking. Always pay close attention to the cooking time of your vegetables, as overcooking results in the loss of valuable nutrients. Though some vegetables, like potatoes, need to be cooked for a long time to make them soft and edible, other vegetables, like carrots and broccoli, do not need to be overcooked, because high heat will affect the beautiful bright color, crispy texture, and of course, the nutrients. Number 3, throwing out leftovers. How many times have you peeled off cucumber and potato skins and thrown them in the trash? Or chopped the stalk and leaves of your leafy greens? Let's be honest, we have all done that, but now is the time to change your ways and adopt healthy eating. The parts we often throw away are the richest in nutrients. You can make vegetable broth or blend them in smoothies, hummus, or sauce. Number 4, chopping your veggies too early. Everyone loves pre-cut vegetables. They're convenient and save a lot of time, but cutting them too early causes a loss of nutrients and moisture. Nutrient loss is caused by 3 main factors: oxygen, light, and heat. And early cutting means you are exposing them to the first 2 factors. Plus, freshly cut vegetables give you a nice, crisp, and beautiful color, which makes your meals more appealing and tasty. Number 5, too much salt. Every vegetable has a particular taste that deserves to be tasted and not completely covered with salt. Plus, vegetables are rich in potassium. They lower your blood pressure and protect the heart, and the addition of lots of salt will work against those heart-friendly efforts. You can try adding natural herbs and spices like ginger or garlic. It will enhance the taste of your meals and add tons of nutritional value too. Number 6, oiling the vegetables. Smothering your vegetables with oil to cook them in less time and without sticking with the pan may sound like a wise idea, but unfortunately, it increases the risk of vegetables getting burned and nutrient loss. It is because the oil will get extremely hot and expose your food to high temperatures, which results in loss of antioxidants, moisture, and taste. Instead, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on the pan to prevent food from sticking to it. Number 7, not washing them properly before cooking. If you are rinsing your vegetables quickly or not washing them at all, there is a high chance you are ingesting chemical residues that can cause nausea, diarrhea, and stomach pain. Even if the vegetables are organic or coming from your garden, they still need to be washed, as they still contain pathogens. For washing your vegetables properly, soak them in clean water for 10 to 15 minutes, then give them a quick rinse under running water to make sure they are clean and safe to eat. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 8, not cooking them at all. Heat destroys the nutritional content of vegetables, but not in every case, and surprisingly, sometimes heat increases the availability of nutrients and makes them healthier for you. Like in the case of tomatoes or carrots, heat exposure increases carotenoids and phenolics, major types of antioxidants. Plus, cooking makes them tastier, and if they taste good, you're more likely to eat them. Go for cooking methods like blanching, steaming, or stir-frying to ensure healthy eating. Number 9, overcrowding the pan. We often add all the food to the pan at the same time to prepare the meal early. Though it is a logical approach, it also has downsides. When you crowd the pan, the temperature of the wok drops, and your food will stick, release all the moisture into the pan, and develops uneven flavor and texture. If you are cooking for a large group of people, you can use different frying pans at once to cook all the food at the same temperature. Number 10. Smoking out the veggies. While you may love the smoky flavor of the vegetables, this cooking method has some serious side effects on your health. The hot and dry environment depletes the nutrients from vegetables and makes them dry. The worst thing is there is a chance of exposing them to benzopyrene, a cancer-causing compound. So be on the safe side, and if you are grilling, use less intense, indirect heat and cook your vegetables for less time. Number 11. Forgetting the marinade. Marinating the food before grilling not only gives taste to the food, but also adds a protective layer to the food, which prevents vegetables from blackening too much, developing carcinogenic substances, and keeps them moist and yummy. So pick your favorite flavors and soak your vegetables in them for a few hours before grilling and enjoy healthy, delicious vegetables. Number 12. Cooking vegetables when they are wet. Washing vegetables is great, but not patting them dry and cooking them when they are still wet can ruin your whole dish. The water from wet vegetables creates steam, which makes food mushy. Though drying them may take some extra time, the bright and crisp result makes the drying process worthy, and it is also dangerous to put wet food in a pan of hot oil. Number 13. Under-seasoning the vegetables. Some bland-tasting vegetables? Who wants that? Humans love the flavor, and the seasoning was made for a reason to spice up your meals. You can marinate your vegetables in a flavorful combination of spices and herbs like garlic, thyme, turmeric, vinegar, and broth. It will not only give a unique flavor to your meal, but also fill your kitchen with a beautiful aroma and make your vegetable time more flavorful and exciting. Number 14. Juicing away their fiber. No doubt, juicing is one of the easiest ways to add vegetables to your daily diet, but during the process, the fiber-rich skin and pulp that boost satiety and contain many essential nutrients get left behind. And if you're adding extra sugar to your juice, you are making the matter worse and increasing the empty calories. You can try blending instead of juicing vegetables, as in this way, you can enjoy vegetables without missing the essential fiber. Number 15. Cooking them the same way every time. Get ready to do some experiments in your kitchen with a unique combo of spices, herbs, and vegetables, because you do not have to cook your vegetables the same way every time. There are multiple ways to cook them. Try different cooking methods and spice combinations so you can get a unique and flavorful taste every time. Plus, in this way, you will not get bored of eating the same vegetables and are likely to consume more. So, are you ready to cook your vegetables in the right way now? These simple techniques bring a lot of change to the flavor and nutritional content. Still, the most important thing is to eat vegetables, no matter how they are cooked. Eating any vegetables is better than eating none. Add 2 to 3 cups of vegetables to your daily diet and get ready to live a healthy and beautiful life, because you deserve it. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!